Audi SQ5 repairs and service. Audi is a German automotive manufacturer of luxury vehicles headquartered in Ingolstadt, Bavaria, Germany. As a subsidiary of its parent company, the Volkswagen Group, Audi produces vehicles in 9 production facilities worldwide. The Audi SQ5 is a high-performance variant of the Audi Q5, combining the practicality of a luxury SUV with enhanced performance features. Here are some key features and specifications commonly associated with the Audi SQ5. Servicing your Audi SQ5 regularly is essential to maintain its performance, reliability, and safety. Here are some key maintenance tasks and tips for Audi SQ5 service. Follow maintenance schedule. Refer to your Audi SQ5 owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. This typically includes regular oil changes, filter replacements, tire rotations, and inspections of various components. Following the recommended maintenance intervals helps keep your SQ5 in optimal condition. Authorized service centers. Choose authorized Audi service centers or reputable mechanics experienced with Audi vehicles. They have access to genuine Audi parts and are trained to handle repairs and maintenance tasks specific to SQ5 models. Fluid checks and changes. Regularly check and replace essential fluids such as engine oil, transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, and power steering fluid according to Audi's recommendations. Proper fluid levels and quality are crucial for your SQ5's performance and longevity. Brake system inspection. Ensure that your SQ5's brakes are inspected regularly, including brake pads, rotors, calipers, and brake fluid. Properly functioning brakes are critical for safety. Tire maintenance. Monitor tire tread depth, tire pressure, and overall tire condition regularly. Rotate your tires according to Audi's recommended intervals to promote even wear and extend tire life. Also, check for signs of uneven wear or damage and replace tires as needed. Battery health. Keep an eye on your SQ5's battery health, especially if you notice any signs of a weak battery or difficulty starting. Consider replacing the battery if it's old or showing signs of deterioration. Electrical system. Check electrical components such as lights, wipers, and power accessories regularly to ensure they are functioning correctly. Replace any bulbs that are burnt out or dim. Safety recalls and updates. Stay informed about any safety recalls or software updates issued by Audi for your SQ5. Ensure that these are addressed promptly by scheduling an appointment with your authorized Audi service center. By staying proactive with your Audi SQ5's maintenance and addressing any issues promptly, you can help ensure its longevity, performance, and safety on the road. Regular servicing also helps maintain the vehicle's resale value and reliability over time.